Have you noticed how many AI-generated videos are going viral online lately? We are talking millions of views. If you have ever wanted to create your own but didn't know where to start, you are in the right place. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how to create high-quality AI videos completely for free. Now, you might be thinking, aren't there already tons of AI video platforms out there? Yes, there are, but here is the catch. Most of them promise free credits, but those credits only let you generate one short video, and then you have to wait an entire month just to get more. It is incredibly limiting. That is why today we are going to use Google VideoFX, powered by Google Veo, which is also known as Google Flow. Now, is it really 100% free? The honest answer is both yes and no. No, because once you run out of credits, you can't generate any more without a workaround or upgrading. But yes, because unlike other platforms, Google gives you 50 free credits every single day. Since each generation costs 10 credits, that means you can create 5 AI videos daily, absolutely free. Compare that to other sites that only give you 1 video per month. As of right now, Google is one of the most generous platforms for free AI video generation. First, let us head over to the website labs.google/f-x/tools/flow. The great thing about this tool is that it works perfectly whether you're using a computer or just your smartphone. Once you are on the dashboard, click on New Project. Right here in the prompt box, we can type in exactly what we want our video to look like. For example, let us use this prompt. A mid-shot from a side view of a man walking down a street wearing a frustrated expression. He looks annoyed and mutters to himself saying, "If gas weren't so expensive right now, I wouldn't be walking like this." The camera smoothly pulls back and transitions into a high aerial bird's eye view, showing him becoming smaller as he continues to walk down the long road. Before we hit generate, let us adjust the settings. Under Format, make sure video is selected. For the aspect ratio, choose 16:9 if you are making a standard YouTube video. If you are making YouTube Shorts or TikToks, choose 9:16 instead. Keep at 1x. And here is an important tip. Make sure to select Veo Lite. This ensures it only consumes 10 credits per generation, allowing you to get those 5 videos a day. Now click Generate and let us wait for the magic to happen. And there you go.
If gas weren't so expensive right now, I wouldn't be walking like this.
The quality looks really solid and clean. If you're not completely satisfied with the first result, you can always tweak your wording in the prompt and generate it again. What if you already have an image and want to animate it into a video? You can do that too. For example, I have this image right here that I generated earlier using Gemini. Here is how to do it. Click on Start, then select Upload Media and choose the image you want to use. Next, click Add to Prompt. We can keep the exact same text prompt to guide the action, and then click Generate.
If gas weren't so expensive right now, I wouldn't be walking like this.
Once you are happy with the final result, just hit the download button and it is yours to use. Remember, since you get 50 free credits daily, you can easily make 5 videos a day. If you ever run out of credits and need to make more videos immediately, you can always log into a different Google account or wait until the daily reset tomorrow, or opt to upgrade your plan. If you found this tutorial helpful and learned something new today, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech and AI tutorials. See you in the next video.